Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike PATTA Air Max 1 Monarchs. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us with algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old, whenever you guys were able to do this. So let's get into it. So today, we have a special look at the Air Max 1 PATTA collab, and well, it's the Nike Air Max 1 with PATTA, and we've got this in a metallic silver Monarch colorway in a UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's a US size 8.5. Now before we get on boxing, I just want to give a shout out to my brother Dom, because he was able to get the pair. I was not able to. I tried my best on sneakers, but they sold out. He was able to get a pair from Offspring, so big up Offspring. And yeah, so before we open the box, look at this beauty of a box. So you've got a lot of writing, so you got PATTA, got Love for All, PATTA logo, Nike, Get Familiar, and you have Lobi Libi, so that is the founders of PATTA, celebrate their heritage. They're from their Ceremonese heritage, that's what I'm looking for. And you got the Team PATTA right there on the side. Now, for those that don't know, I've said PATTA a lot. Now, PATTA are a Dutch streetwear brand founded in Amsterdam, and they're no strangers when it comes to collaborations with Nike. They've done plenty of iconic sneakers, and the first being in 2006 with an Air Max 90. And my favorite is a pair of the Air Max 1s. I mean, we've got an Air Max 1 here. This is probably one of the best, but my personal favorite is the chlorophyll Air Max 1 PATTAs. They're so beautiful. Big shout out to my mate Reese, who has a pair, and every time we used to go into work together, I'd see him wear it, and I'm like, yo, those are so dope. And I was so jealous because they're fetching over £1,000 now on the resale market. These Air Max 1 PATTAs and the Monarchs, probably one of the most hype sneakers of the year. This is probably going to get sneaker of the year. Personally, for me, I'm putting down the Sacai Fragment collaboration with the Sacai Waffle. For me, that is a no-brainer, but this probably is a close second. But loads of you guys are going to put this probably in your number one. This does justice to all you Air Max 1 heads. So let's show you. And you got a black fist on the wrapping paper, and here it is. There. Proper wavy, these sneakers. Box is coming apart. Put this here. And yes, as you can see, this is the PATTA Air Max 1, the Monarchs, with all that wavy design. So let's start with the outsole. As always, you got an all rubber outsole with the Nike Air branding, and in typical Air Max fashion, you got the waffle print here. It's highlighted in 3 different colors. You got this maroon at the heel and at the toes, this very mud kind of brown on the middle, and just at the back with the Nike Airs in this orange. Looking at that midsole unit, polyurethane midsole, it's got an off-white bone kind of colorway here around, and as always you've got the Air Max bubble right here, and it's just in a plain, it's in that maroon colorway that you can see that on the heel and on the toes. Now looking at the upper, this is where it just differentiates itself from any other kind of Air Max 1. Here you've got the wave patterning on the side panels, and on the mudguard in this great orange colorway, shouting back to Nike's Air Max 1 curry colorway. Those came out recently last year, but these are a more exaggerated version. This highlights the waves. So the whole campaign of this Air Max PATTA collaboration is that it's called Waves Not Cycles, and you can clearly see it. These look like tidal waves, really dope feature. And just on the underlay, so you've got this mesh right here. On the lateral side of the sneaker, you've got an orange swoosh as well. Medial side, you got the same thing going on, covered in a very nice nubuck. Lace paneling, again, it's made out of nubuck, normal lacing system. You also got another choice of laces. You've got it in this bone colorway. Nicely padded tongue. Now here you got the PATTA Air Max instead of a Nike, which is such a dope little feature that you can see with the PATTA Air Max. A lot of the PATTA Air Maxes, they got different kind of styles on the tongues, which is really dope. Nice to see that they've been coherent in that regard. The insole, it's polyurethane. You got with the PATTA logo, you can't really see it there, but it is there. And totally forgot to mention the little swoosh that is knitted on the side here. Now these sneakers obviously sold out. These were so difficult to get. I tried to get a pair on the first drop at the PATTA website, but that just crashed for me. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get them on sneakers. My brother had to come up, and these are probably one of the best sneakers of 2021, even for an Air Max 1 collaboration or an Air Max 1 design of all. This is probably up there. And this is one for you Air Max heads. I'm gonna show you footage of my brother trying them on, because unfortunately these aren't mine, those are his, and I'm just supremely jealous. So everyone who's got a pair of these ones, well done. I'm giving you my congratulations. I'm hoping to get the blue ones. They're coming out next month. Similar colorway, similar patterning, but just in the blue colorway. So fingers crossed I get it, but roll that footage of my brother trying these great on.
Get your true to size.
Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.